Hi everybody, my name is Tariq Yani. I am just going to make a short video about Cardano. As we all know that people don't have time, and the little time we have, will just highlight the main points. Now, today I would like to talk about India and Pakistan, where Cardano has not been able to establish itself, and the main reason for that is lack of clarity about the law. And I'm not saying that. It's Richard Huskinson, the founder of Cardano, is saying that the main issue why we are unable to establish ourselves in India and Pakistan is because there is no clarity as to cryptocurrency is legal or illegal in those countries. Although in case of India, this is the sixth biggest, largest economy in the world, and there's a lot of potential in there. When we compare it with Africa, in Africa, Cardano is very well established, and it's mostly happening because there is clarity of law there. So it is very, very important that India and Pakistan, they come up with a regular, clear-cut law about cryptocurrency so that Cardano and Bitcoin and some of the other currencies can establish themselves, which will help not only the Cardano community and the Bitcoin community and the overall cryptocurrency community, but it will also help the world. And it will also help these countries in the sense that it will bring a lot of finance in, it will bring a lot of money in, it will bring foreign investment in, and it will benefit everybody. And people, lots of people are jobless, and this new industry can bring a lot of jobs in India and Pakistan. So I believe it is worth it. It is definitely something which should be considered in these countries, and crypto should be introduced there. And as we can see, like if we go down here, even Mr. Richard Huskinson mentioned here that there is lack of clarity regarding cryptocurrency regulation. According to Huskinson, this uncertainty has really hurt the industry, which would have otherwise been very promising. Earlier this year, Cardano has expanded its blockchain technology into Africa. Right now, several blockchain-based projects are in different stages of development across the continent. So Africa has been able to accept it, but India and Pakistan, they are taking too long. So my request to lawmakers there, please consider blockchain, please consider crypto, and it will benefit everybody there. It will, especially the young generation, will benefit a lot from there. Thank you very much.